Hey everyone, today I'm showing you Evoto, an AI-powered editing tool that is honestly better than Photoshop and Lightroom for portrait retouching. Evoto combines three powerful AI features: AI culling to select your best shots, AI coloring for perfect color grading, and AI retouching for flawless skin and details. And if you're wondering why is it better, because everything I'm about to show you happens with simple sliders. So no complicated masks, no tedious manual work, just AI doing the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity. And the best part, it's completely free to try with 30 credits for new users. Let's dive in. Alright, here I'm in Evoto, and the first feature that I want to show you is the face freckles and acne removal. Now, to use this feature, let's first make sure we have a photo with some acne like this one. Let's open this up. And now you can see we have this photo inside Evoto, and on the right side we have a menu. And when we go to portrait retouching, which you can find here, and inside portrait retouching, we can do a lot of things to our portrait. Now, in the first one, you can see we have blemish removal. When we open this up, we have freckles and acne. And all we have to do is move this slider from left to right. And look at that, it's gone. When I hold down space on my keyboard, I can see the before and after. And let me zoom in here so you can see this better. Before, after, they are magically gone. And imagine how long this will take. In Photoshop, you would have to do this one by one. And here we just have a slider. So that's the freckles and acne removal. It's that simple. Now the next feature that I want to show you is the magic face skin. And this is basically a dodge and burn. If you know, in Photoshop, you will have to do dodge and burn manually. In this software, it does it automatically for you. So it's basically gonna make the shadows and highlights better. And we will do this automatically inside this tool. So when I go back into Evoto, when we scroll down, you can see we have skin retouching. When I open this up, we have dodge and burn. And when I move this slider, it's gonna apply dodge and burn to my photo. Let's move to the left, to the right. You can see it starts to even out the skin. There's also a sculpt. If you wanna make those darker tones better, look at that before. After, we get some really nice and soft dark tones. Then we also have some facial features. Basically, it's gonna improve all these facial features. You can see the shadows are moving in the right direction. And let's move this one also, before and after. And let's look at it before and after. If I hold on shift, before, after, look at that. Look how great that face looks. And this was all done with just a couple of sliders. Now we can also work on the hair. You can see the hair looks great, but we can make this better. And that brings me to the next feature, and that is how to remove stray hair. Now sometimes you have some stray hair in the photo and you want to fix that, we can easily do that. So let's go back into Evoto. Let me close up all these settings here. And now we're gonna go to the section hair. Let's open up here, and here we have hair strays removal. Let me move this from 0 all the way to 100. And look at that. Before, after. We can zoom in here so you can see this better. Before, you can see all those hair strays coming out. After, it's all gone. And look how clean that looks. Before, after. So I think from this photo, I'm quite done with the editing. I can just save this as a preset. And if I save this as a preset, I could use all these settings for all the other photos of this series. So you can go down here, save preset, and then you can open this up here in your presets and apply it to a batch of other photos if you want to apply this to a whole series. But what if I told you you can also copy a color style from another photo? So let's say you have this photo and you really like the color style in this one, how it's really post-processed, and you want to apply it to this photo. We can also do that. Let's first open up this photo, and then we're going to go to color adjustments. And here we have AI color adjustments. And when I open this up, I can use this image as a reference to another photo. So all I have to do is create color reference. Let's say I'm going to use this photo. So you can see here, I created this as a reference. And now let's close this for now. And I'm going to import a photo that I want to use. So I want to use this photo. And all I have to do is click on this reference. And here we have again a slider. It's now processing this to this image, and look at that. It's using the same color style as here. And if this is a bit too much, we can basically simply move this from left to right and apply how much of this style we want to apply to our photo. So basically you could copy a style from another photo just by showing it this photo inside Evoto, and it's gonna automatically apply the style to another photo. The next cool features that I want to show you is how to improve photos with glasses. We can remove the glare in the glasses, but we can also improve the eyes of a photo. So let's go back into Evoto and I'm gonna import a photo with glasses. Let's say this one. Then we're gonna select in the right screen portrait retouching and we're gonna go to the section eyes. And inside eyes, we can remove the glasses glare. Let me improve this to 100% and look at that, it's gone. This is the before, this is after. We remove the glare in the glasses, but we can also improve the eyes. Let's improve the white in the eyes. Let's move it up. Let's say somewhere in the range of 60. We can also remove red veins. So if you have red veins, let me zoom in here. Look at that. Before, after, that's also gone. And you can cleanse the eyes. And if I zoom out here, before, after, the eyes are really nice fixed up. So basically we removed the glare in the glasses and we made the eyes brightness better. Another cool feature here is the Catchlights. If you want to change the pupil, the reflection in the eyes, you can do that here. And look at that. Look how creative we can get with all these eyes here. This is before and this is after, and look how clean that looks. Now, what if you have photos where your clothing doesn't look right? Let's say you have some wrinkles in clothing and you want to fix that. We can also do that. Let's go back into Evoto and let's open up another photo, and I'm going to use this photo. You can see she has a nice dress, but the dress has some wrinkles and we can fix that up. So let's go back to the menu again, and this time we're going to go in the clothes section. Here we have De-Wrinkle Clothing, and all we have to do is move the slider and it's gone. Let's zoom in here. Let's look at the before. Look at all those wrinkles in the clothing. After, it's all cleaned up. Now, what if you see some wrinkles in the face when someone is smiling in a photo? We can also fix that up. So let's go back into Evoto and let me close this for now. And I'm gonna import a new photo again. Here you can see she's smiling in the photo, but I wanna fix that. I wanna make it better. So I'm gonna go to portrait retouching again. Then I'm gonna go into blemish removal, and when I scroll down here, we have facial wrinkles. So we can basically remove some wrinkles. We don't see much wrinkles, but let's do it anyways. Here we have cheek wrinkles. If I increase this one, let's say to 100%, you can already see the difference. Before, you can see those wrinkles here. Then after, it's all gone. Now let's say you made a photo on a background, but the background wasn't really one color, maybe somewhere in the studio, and you got some stuff going on in the background and you want to fix that. We can also do that easily. Let's go back into Evoto and I'm gonna import this photo. And here you can see it's like a headshot photo, but the background isn't one color. You can see some wall there. So let's fix that. This time we're gonna go to background adjustments, and in background adjustments, we can fix the background. Let's first enable distractions removal, and then we're gonna select distractions and it's already gone. Then we're gonna enable clean backdrop. I wanna have a clean background and I'm gonna click on solid background, and that looks pretty good already. Let me zoom in here. But I see some bending here going on. If you don't know what bending is, that is those lines in the background that you see here. So I can fix that by enabling color bending removal. Let's click on solid background and that's all fixed. And now it looks like this photo was taken in the studio. You can also change the background to a whole different color. Like here, you can make it dark, you can make something like that, or you can make it even light. So there you have it. Evoto makes professional retouching incredibly simple with AI-powered sliders that just works. Remember, all these features are free to preview, and new users get 30 free credits to export your edited photo. I've put the download link in the description below. Just click it and enter your email and you'll get the free trial credits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.